Namaste. Here we are showing you the kit for the sanitizer tunnel. Here is the kit. You are getting the way how to install and all everything over here. This is the tip. If the water leakage has come, then you can use this one. This one is the adapter for the motor. I am keeping it one by one over here. And then this is the nozzle set. You can see we are using 11 nozzles. This is the side of the motor where you need to put this the outlet, and this is the closet here. Here is the nozzle. This nozzle has 11. 1, 2, then 3, 4. This way here has 11 nozzles, and 9 meter is the total length of this pipe. Then we are showing here the tape. DC motor, in the pump. Here has the auto back, means if the pressure is too much, then it will back to the tank automatically. The extra water will back the tank automatically. This is the extra water outlet switch, and this is the motor. So both are attached here. This is the main features of our sanitizer tunnel motor. And here, close the camera. Here you can see the arrow is for the outlet. This side is the outlet side, and this side is the inlet side. We are keeping this too close for the motor inlet. And then this one is the tank. Into the tank you need to sink it because it has the filter. You can see no any like bubbles or something bad thing will come inside the motor. So this filter we are using so that any dust doesn't come into the motor. And this way we will attach the inlet pipe. And this pipe is also so long. It's almost 10 feet. This one. This is the motor. Here I am using the motor. This is the different I'm doing the difference between the inlet and outlet so that you can understand properly. This is the inlet pipe, and this one is the outlet pipe. So I'm keeping both over here. And this one is the motor. And here we are giving the sensor. You can see this sensor, close it. Here is 6 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 8 minutes, up to 60 minutes. You can set by this button. And this is the IR sensor. When people will come inside the tunnel, then it will automatically start and will remain on for 6 seconds. And this is the converter for Chinese plug adapter to Indian. Like here we are putting this, and this socket is a Chinese standard, or you may say UK standard, and we are making it European standard by this socket. And this is very easy to understand, or else you can use like this. We are using here for the cooking, and here is the way. And this is the adapter, and 12 volt DC power will come, which you need to attach with this motor like this way. I think I make it clear for you all. So I'm again detaching all these things. Then we are giving some tie, few ties, and the pipe bending, pipe attaching material. And then these are the nozzles. 11 nozzles we are giving. You can see. Close the camera. You can understand. These are the nozzle what you need to put over here. You can see, close the camera. Here you need to put just very simple like this, and then you can detach and keep over here. And then these are two gaskets need to use in these two, here and here one and here one, so that the water doesn't leakage. That's why we are giving these two gaskets. I'm opening this one also so that you can understand it very clear. These are the gaskets, and here are the, you can see, here we are giving how many tiles and all. You can see all we are giving this. We are making the video so long, it's not so good, but it will help you to understand everything very clearly. So finally I am showing you what we are giving. This is the motor, this is the motor adapter which make AC to 12 volt DC. This is the converter for the Chinese plug. This is the outlet pipe with 11 nozzles. This one is the plug-in point for the motor, and here we are using this closet, this cap, so that water you can stop here. This one is the inlet pipe with the filter and the inlet socket also for this motor inlet. These are the 11 nozzles. These are some fittings kit with some ties. These are the sensor which can set from 6 seconds to 1 minute. And these are some plastic tape for the water. Sometimes somewhere leakage, then you can use this tape. Normally no need to use. So these are the all things what you are getting with a single kit. These are the things.